Have you ever wondered how planes stay aloft? It's not magic, but a fascinating interplay of physics and engineering. A key player in this aerial ballet is the geometric angle of attack. This fundamental concept is crucial for understanding how aircraft generate the lift force needed to overcome gravity and soar through the sky. In simple terms, the geometric angle of attack is the angle formed between the wing's chord line and the oncoming airflow, known as the relative wind. Imagine holding your hand out of a moving car window. The angle you tilt your hand against the wind is analogous to the angle of attack. This crucial angle is typically measured in degrees. A higher angle of attack generally results in more lift, up to a certain point. Pilots adjust the angle of attack using the aircraft's control surfaces, primarily the elevators on the tailplane. The geometric angle of attack plays a vital role in determining the amount of lift generated by a wing. As the angle increases, so does the amount of air deflected downwards, creating an upward reaction force lift. However, exceeding a certain critical angle disrupts the smooth airflow over the wing, leading to a loss of lift known as a stall.